Powerbrake is a bespoke upgrade brake manufacturer. We offer brake upgrades for various forms of road car application, entry-level track day, advanced track day, pro race, and then we're also quite actively involved in the rally raid market with calipers and discs and brake pad solutions.
So what's been really interesting at the show? What have people been coming to look at on the stand?
We've had a lot of interest for our X line, which is a crossover product applicable for street and track day and pro race applications, and we see that there's a big market with privateer and amateur race car drivers and teams that are looking for a product that is affordable and durable, and that's pretty much our motto. We offer a really robust product at a good price, but it's aimed at fitting it to the car, leaving it there and not having to worry about maintenance. It's a real bulletproof kind of solution.
Do you think those customers and potential customers get drawn in by knowing your top-end stuff is being used by Toyota and they want a piece of that?
I think that's definitely what's given us a lot of credibility, supplying the Toyota Works team with our calipers, and I think Powerbrake has really got a reputation of being a real durable product. We use a lot of the technology that we've learnt in the Dakar series and the World Cross Country series, and we apply that into the rest of our kits to really give them durability.
In terms of the privateer market, is it one you see, do you think, growing? More people are kind of getting into this technology?
I believe so. We believe that motorsport, the high end will keep growing and the low end will keep growing. We think there's a bit of an erosion in the middle where typical midstream sponsorships are falling away. So we believe that there are many people that are investing their own money into their cars for track days and race application, and they're looking for good value. One of the things that we also believe in Powerbrake is we're not just a component supplier. We like to offer a complete braking solution. So we've got proprietary software where we get all the data from the customer in terms of vehicles, weight, tires, speed. We do center of gravity calculations, and we go back and we say, we believe this application with this disc and this brake pad and this brake bias will be the best solution for you. So we're able to offer that engineering assistance from the braking perspective.
And in terms of the ability to brake, what's so good about your pads and calipers?
The important thing about our product is we understand a lot of the basics of the engineering, what goes into really making the system work. We're very good at the thermal capacity side of things. We will supply a disc that's beefier, but is a lot more capable at handling the thermal shock. And those are the kinds of things that give longevity. We've also got extensive experience with one of the top brake pad manufacturers in the world. We do our own brake pads through them, and with that we are able to tailor-make braking solutions that give an all-round package. So there's no magic dust. Once you've got a good working product, you can offer the customer a good solution.
Just lastly for me, can you just one reflection on the show? What's it been like being here this year, and what's your experience of it?
It's our first time at this show. We've attended motorsport shows in the US and been successful. It's our first time in Europe, but we've had some very good feedback. We've had some of the bigger guys walk past and have a look as well, which is a big compliment for us. We'll definitely be back. I think many people are now seeing our product, and if we can back it up by being here again next year, they'll see that we're not just a fly-by-night kind of company. It's been around for 10 years. Of our manufacturing, 80% is exported. So we have many customers, but for us to grow the market share, it's now time to get into people's faces so that they can see who we are.